Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view the traffic source of a specific page in Google Analytics 4. If you're managing a website and want to understand where your visitors are coming from, this guide is for you. First, open your web browser and go to the Google homepage. In the top right corner, click the Sign In button and select the Google account you use for your website's analytics. Enter your password and click Next to log in. Once you're logged in, locate the grid icon in the top right corner. This gives you access to Google Apps. Click it and select Google Analytics. Now head to the Reports section in your Analytics dashboard. This is where you'll find detailed insights into your website traffic. Next, go to the Report Snapshot. Here you'll see an overview of your site's data, including traffic sources, user demographics, and more. To focus on a specific page, look for options to filter or drill down into individual pages. This allows you to see exactly where visitors are coming from, whether it's search engines, social media, or direct traffic. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly understand the traffic sources for any page on your website.